Friends, and this is the word game, and here is the start button, and here is the game end button, and here is the heading that is welcome to the word game by Dinesh Reddy. And now if you press start means the game will start, and exit means it will close this window. And now first we will start by pressing it start, and here you can see the game rules. First rule is game consists of word with blanks in between them, and then in this game contains 3 levels. Each level contains 3 words to find. And if you accept these rules, then we will press yes. Otherwise, we will press no. Then the window will be closed. First, we will press yes. And now here the main thing for the level 1 and stage 1. Here it shows hi, you are in level 1 and stage 1. And here is the word which we need to find, and here we need to enter that word. And here next and check. These values will check whether it is correct or not. Now we will try. Here the word is please, and now we will check that word. Here it shows correct answer. You can proceed, go for the next. And now we will press next. Here this word is I think it is discussion, but now we will try some different word, that is to get error. What will show when the error? First, if we make it check, then it shows wrong answer, try again, and the box has been closed, deleted. Now we will enter something, and then we will press next. Here if you press next before keeping that word correct, then it shows complete this level first. Now we will type the correct word discuss, and now also if you press next it will become error because we need to first check this word. Now we will try. So here you can see complete this level first. So first we need to check that word, that is discuss, and now we will press check. Then correct answer you can go for next, and now we will press next means it will get the output. And here you can see I think the word is advance, and we need to use comma because the word I have given it consists of comma, and also it is printed same as this. Now we'll check it, and the answer is correct, and then we'll go for next. Here it shows level, that is congratulations, we have completed level 1, and do you want to continue to the next level, then okay. And here is the second level. Here 2 dashes is there, here one word and here one word, and the remaining I think the word is channel. And now we'll check it, check the correct answer, exit. Thank you. Now we'll see the program. As we discussed previously about the which step we need to do, and we will do like that only. And now first we have imported the files which we want. Here we have imported Tickner, and then random, and the message box. And last video I have made a message box. If anyone missed, I will keep it in the description. You can watch it there. And here R is the TK, and this is the basic. And then R dot geometry. This is the how much size the game level should be. And then here I have represented global S and all. And now first we will see. And here you can see I will show you the what is description which I have used. Here you can see the one word document that is called the word game, and it consists of my description, full of description, and I have used that only for making. Here I have opened that word file to read, and then from the word file I have taken one line, that is I. For I in F means it will take one line, and then for W in I dot split means it will split that line into by taking. Here we have used closing brackets. Here we can use any word and all. Here I have used a default, that is empty space. If it consists of empty space, then it will take W. And here you can see I will show the game middle we have get some errors. Here you can see Tickner and comma is there, so that will make us the error to get, and some of them are making to get the error of comma and all getting. Okay, and now here for W means it will take some word. If the word is greater, word length is greater than 5 and less than 10 only, it will add to the list, that is here we have made a list, that is C. And now by this we have created a words with some words consisting in the C. And now we will create the how to splitting. And now here you can see that def create, and here we have used global n check, and 0 is not required now. Global n uncheck, and then R will be a empty. Here we use a global n uncheck means we need to upload the check and n values in the next programming function. So we have used n uncheck as the global. If we did not use anything, then it will take to this particular function. So we need to use global. If we use local means it will use for this function. Okay, and now here R is a local function and n uncheck is a global function. And now here n equal to randint of length of C minus 1. Here randint means it will pick an integer in between 0 and length of C minus 1. That is the list which we have prepared with words. And then here for I in range of level or dot append means it will add. If for the level 1 it will take, in the starting we have said that level 1 and stage 1 will be the initial level. And now here for I in range of level means first we will take 1, and after completing the 3 words finding, then it will take to level 2 and then to level 3, and like that. Here it will take the or dot append means it will take that number of words, that is empty spaces where we need to keep. Now that R should be filled here. Here we use or dot sort. Here we have used like this, so we need to use sort. If we did not use sorting means then it will become a big letter for finding. Okay, and now here we use that T equal to C of n of. Here the default will be from starting to R of 0 value that is present in the R, and then 1 space, and then C of n, and then continue to the end point. Similarly we will use for this and all for level, if for level 2 and level 3 and all. Okay, and now if the level reaches to 4 means, if level is not equal to 4 means it will show like that. If the level is 4 means it will keep the ending. In the next we will see that. And now here we need to check the values whether we given the input is correct or not in the entry. And here you can use here def check and then label of empty space to clear the box. If here you can see that correct answer and wrong answer it will be printed now. But if you did not use like this means it will be presented. If you continue also, if you press next answer it will be stay there only. So we use empty space to clear that, and then we will use global check. Here we, in the previous I have mentioned that after completing all, the check will be false. When we create a word, that check will be false means the checking is not completed, so you need to first check and then get to the next answer. Okay, so here first we will check is dot lower, and here also is dot lower. Here we use because if C of n consists of capital letters and smaller letters, then it will get some errors, but we will think so we use that dot lower to make it clear. If it is true means then it will check will be true, else means it will take check as false. And here we use check means if check value is true means then this function will be run, that is correct answer, and that will be printed. Else means it will printed wrong answer, try again. And now we will need to see what will present in the next level. And here you can see we use a global, stage, level, and the result. Result is also not equal here. Okay, these things are not equal. And now here if level equal to 1 and stage equal to 1 means, then this message will be represented as you can see that congratulations, you have successfully completed level 1. Do you want to continue to next? That message will be represented by using message box. And then if the level will be 2 and stage will be 3 means it says that level is completed to 2, and now then you can go for the next. And if you reach the level 3 and stage 3, then it will say congratulations, you have completed the game, thank you for playing with me Dinesh today. And here again we have used empty space because here that complete this first will be printed and it should be covered with that. And you think after this what will be present? Here you can see only font, and then placing the box where we need to place that only will be present in that. You can see here. Okay, and now if check means here we have used in the above we have used that check will be false if we create new one. If check be true means it will take it here also true and it will go to the next step. And here if stage is less than 3, that is 1 or 2, then it will go to stage plus equal to 1. If stage equal to 3, then it will take level plus equal to 1 means the level will be added and stage will be reduced to -2. And then we will call the function create to create a word, and then we will use else means if check is false means then it will be printed, that is complete this level first and now. And here you can see level text equal to how you are in the level 1 and that will be printed here. And this empty is to close this one. And enter dot delete means if you press next means then the value present in the entry box will be deleted. As you can see that tells you that defining a D. Here is global enter means here we have used that word enter to entry. And now here we will see the message box ask yes or no. Here we named that as RE some variable, and here you can this is the title word, and then here is the first rule, that is game consisting of blank lines in this game and all. And if we press yes means it will take it as true. If we press no means it will go to here, and the or dot destroy means the function will be window will be destroyed. Okay, and now if RE means if you press yes then only these values will be printed, that is button text equal to next and another button check, and this command will be next and check values will be there. And then enter equal to entry of some font and all. If we use entry and then enter does place, we place that word and then created the first word. And now here in the end we use the button, this is the main first, you can see this only these 3 lines you can see first, that is first button start button, and then the label present in the top, and then the exit button, and the final line the or dot main loop, that is closing the loop.